Thank you very much for the invitation. I'm very honored to be here, and I'm looking very much forward to hear the main speech. In this time where the world is so full of trouble, where we don't know if our civilization can continue to exist because it's really threatened from all kind of different sides, it's very, very important that religious leaders speak about peace in this world, that they speak about unity, and that they speak that we all belong to the same humankind. We see that in the Pope now. He has come forward and he is really not so dogmatic anymore. He's more speaking about love and about unity. We see it also in His Holiness Dalai Lama. And we see it in Your Holiness on behalf of Islam, that it is possible to talk about Islam the way you do. It makes me so very happy that there is a voice in Islam talking about peace, talking about love, talking about unity. So I came here tonight to be inspired by your words that I believe are completely true, so I can carry them out in the world because they came from you, and hopefully make my small contribution also to world peace listening to you. So thank you very much for being here.